Hello everyone, welcome back to our journey. Today we are going to dive into the world of AI video creation with Invideo AI, one of the best AI video generator out there. What is Invideo AI? Invideo AI uses artificial intelligence to help create professional videos quickly and easily. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned video editor, Invideo can streamline your video production. Now let's get started. First, head over to the website. Here, open your browser. Here, type in invideo.ai or just type in Invideo AI like this. As you can see, now just click on search. Now here slide down. Reach Invideo AI, just click on it. Here you can see other generated videos or other video which is created by Invideo, but here we focus on how to use Invideo. Just click on login or sign up if you are using it for the first time. Because I already have account, so I will click on login, but you can sign up using your email, the same process. It is still the same process, just here. It will direct you to the app if you have downloaded the app, the Invideo AI app. Now, just what you will do now is to sign up or use your Gmail just to make it simple. Now here I will use my Gmail. You can use other email which you have. Now follow the process like this if you are using your Gmail. Now after signing up, you can see it is loading. Now Invideo AI also offer free trial. Here you can see it on this upgrade. You see it, I'm in free trial plan, so you can test the water before committing. So now go back by clicking on this star icon here, this cancel icon. Once you log in, you will see this dashboard. Here you can start the new project or explore the template like this, which is called workflow and plugin. Here you can explore the template if you want to generate YouTube complete video. By clicking on this YouTube explainer, enter everything you need, the video required, both the background music, the title of the script, the time duration. Here you see it, and also by clicking this cancel icon here to go back here you add the relevant part, what you don't want to see in the video. Also you can go back just by clicking here, but after the process you click on continue. But now to go back, just click on your back navigation on your device here. Now here in YouTube short is where you can generate YouTube short. Here in explore is where you can find other templates. Here you see TikTok video, YouTube short, YouTube expand script to video. You see it new video, Instagram reel. You see it here is where you can find templates which you can use for your video. Here is where you can find your perfect template. Also you can clone your voice by clicking this here. You see it, but in order to clone your voice you must subscribe to the plus or max version here. Now let's go back here. Now also here in generate, here is where you can just add a title and give the AI instruction on what you want it to generate, the video you want it to generate, and it will generate it just by clicking this generate. It will generate it. Also now in order to show you example, here I will use one of the templates in order to generate a video. Now here I will use YouTube short. Here just click on it. Here first I will click on this create, select the duration which I want, if I want it fast place or very fast place. Order here I will tell it specific duration which I want it. Now here I will use fast place. Now the second one is here, put in details on how you want your video to be. Here see it here. Here is the prompt which I use for it to generate this video of sneaker. Add sneaker. Here also in background, here make the background music. Here you add the type of music which you want to be in the background as a background music by typing it. And here I will use upper beat. You see it here in language should be, here you select the type of language you want. You see it any language you want. Here I will use English. Now select the specific urban you want, which means native specific language you want. Here I will use Nigerian English. In order to know how this AI will speak Nigerian English, voice here in setting is where you can select the voice, male or female here, or you can clone your voice by clicking on my voice, but in order to do it you must subscribe to the plus version or the max version here. Also here I will click on a female. Also here you select any voice you like, the type of voice, the type of accent voice you want, like here you see it. Here I will just click on any. Also you can type on narrator, the narrator. In order to select the narrator which you want, here in for narrator you select how the narrator will be, but it won't work if you are generating a short YouTube short. You now select how you want the subtitle to be here by clicking on subtitle, or if you don't want subtitle you just click on don't add any subtitle here. Here I will use add any subtitle here now. Or you can also add your watermark by clicking on this use watermark text. You add your watermark, or also you can select where you want it to get the row, which is the overlay display. You will select it. Also you can select the audio, where you want it to get the audio from here. Here click on this continue. In order for you to generate your video, now click on this generate. Now wait for it. What makes this AI video generator unique is when generating it will ask you how you want the video to be, like this. Audience, here in audience type you want. Here in audience, look is where you want it to, like how you want it to be. Here in platform is where we want to post it, the type of platform you want to use. Here I will click on YouTube short and then click on continue. Now wait for it, or you can just click on this notify when it is ready. As you can see, it is finalizing the video, so wait for it. This take a little time. Now our video is ready. Just in order to know how it look, just click on this icon for it to load it and show you how it look. Now here you can play it.
Why do 90% of trendsetters choose cyberpunk sneakers? Because they're bold and electrifying. Unleash your inner rebel. These kicks are not just and ultimate comfort.
Here you are
Made for
seeing
the
the
streets of
results.
tomorrow. Perfect for today's pace. Elevate your style. Own the night. Dare to be different. Cyberpunk sneakers for the young and bold. Get yours now.
You see it. You can also give it a command by clicking here. In order to give it a command to set something, if you don't like where it generates on how it generates it, you type here. You can see the commands and then click on here to send it, and then wait for it to redo it or fix it. Also you can replay the result by clicking here. In order to replay the result, you can export it just by clicking on this export. Edit it, just click here, edit, and then it will take you to here where you can edit it. You see it are the sets of the video. You see it. You can also edit the script here just by clicking here. Change even the narrator here. You can also change the narrator and then click on back, and also here you can set the speed, the voice speed. How do we want the voice to be? How fast you want the voice here. Now also you can even change the elements here, change the element types, even the title, the list. You see it. Here is where you can change the element type, type it like the title. Now after setting everything, just click on this apply. to apply it and then export it if you want. Now the second one is how to use the platform, the website platform. You know, it at the first it redirects me to the app which I have downloaded. Now here I will show you how to use the website. Now just sign up using any email of your choice here, but here I will use Google. Also here in the desktop mode, I am using the desktop mode. Here you can see it. I change my smartphone browser into desktop mode site by clicking this desktop mode, and also here you find out this icon here, this three line icon here is where you can find all the features like voice, text to clip, text to image, and also presentation where you can create presentation. And also here in the history is where you can find the video you just generated using this Invideo AI. Also here create AI short is where you can generate short clip. Here in create AI explainer is where you can create long clip video like 15-minute video using this Invideo. Here in create animation is where you can create animation film. You can generate animation film. Here in created video is where you can generate a video just using a script in Invideo AI. Here in explore workflow, here is where you can find others prompts. You see it, here is where you can find others prompts and use it here just by clicking on this see all, or just click anyone, but to see it all just click on this see all. You see it, just what you will do now is just to click on it and then type your topic like this, and then change the voice narration, like just follow the process which I've shown you here to change all the features. And then now click on this continue. Here it will pop up here. Just what you will do now is just to click on this generate a video, wait for it. Don't forget, this is how you see the exporting feature in the app and in the website, but all of them work the same way, but just a little different settings or a little different look. Here is the result of the generated video. Here is my tips for best result. A well-written script is the key. In Invideo can help you refine it, but starting with a good base helps. Don't be afraid to experiment with different templates and AI suggestions. So that's how to use Invideo to create a stunning videos with minimum effort. Remember, practice made perfect. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. And let us know in the comment section if you have any question or if there is another tool you want us to cover.